Starter issues, so here it is. Keys in the ignition. We turn the key. Nothing. So that is a good indication your starter's going out. So we're going to find our starter, which is just over these wires, spark plug wires. Right there, you can actually see the sticker that was on there. So we're going to go stick a hammer in here like this, turn it, and then we're going to tap that starter with a hammer. If this thing is not going to start, I'm in my driveway, so ignition. Woo! Has happened once before, about 3 weeks ago. So I actually bought a used starter for 35 bucks, and it's in the trunk. So the used starter, there's only so many taps of a hammer, and then the starter's just not going to work. Starter woes. We're gonna turn the key. Nothing happens. Hitting that sucker a few times. That's right there. So we tapped it. My days are numbered, man. There's only so many hammer taps. This will be try number 3. Whew! I lost somebody. And it's later in the day, and uh-oh. We got an escapee again. Hey! Here we go. Fail. So we got 4 taps.
It's a fail.
It's a fail. So we're gonna tap it a little more. Get some bangs. Where else do you want to break down than in your driveway? We got it. So 4 successful starts. I think number 5. That's a starter. Whoa. Let's see what starter. Got it right there. This is.
Is this a candle car seat?
6 times the charm, so we're 6 taps in. Well, here it is. This is try number 7. Starter fail. Just nothing. So we're gonna tap with the hammer. Where is that guy? Straight down there. On that starter right there. You can see it right. Starter. He's ready.
Give me bubblegum then.
So it's another day, another tap. This is number 8. Ah, this isn't good, man. I'm changing it. I'm gonna change it. I can't. Please start, and I'm gonna change it today. Starter, 98 Honda CRV. That's right under here.